All right, so already just past noon, and we've pretty much done all the major slides. There's a couple more left. We found out some info though. So this one right here, this is the Punga Racers. It's one of the mat slides. I remember doing it when I came here before. It's you know, a slide, and you ride on you lay down on one of those blue racing mats. But anyways, check this out. So obviously it is closed down, construction, fence and everything. So apparently word on the street is that there's too many injuries going on with this slide, so they are closing it down. And this is where they're going to be building possibly a new attraction in the future. So yeah, so who knows what they're going to build here instead. Hopefully it's going to be really cool. Anyways, how do we get inside the volcano though? Because there's like stuff to explore in there. Let's ask. No, just explore the volcano. All right, here we go. We're gonna go explore the volcano. Going inside the volcano.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
It's all bonded light.
Kind of nervous here. This is really cool.
Hello. Why you only just spoke like that?
Whoa, that almost got me. That's cool. So throughout the park too, besides just doing the wristbands to get your spot in line, you can also, it interacts with the theme of the area. So here's one of the devices, so you just put it up. And then blast air in your face. That's cool. That's too cool.
It's like too cold.
And monkeys. And then in the cave that we were just in with the face, it must be a person wired up to it, because they started talking to us. I said, I was like, can you turn on the water on? And she's like, say please. So there's literally someone watching you on a camera.
Oh, that was it.
So that was pretty cool. Anyways, that was fun walking through the volcano. At least it cuts you straight halfway through the park. Now we're coming back out by the wave pool area. So many things to explore. That's the coolest part of this park, I think. It's so big, and there's so many different like hidden themes and stuff to check out. Going through the volcano! Here's more of the private cabanas. Tons of cabanas in this park. These are cool because they are right next to the volcano and overlook the bay, or the wave pool.
Oh, that's where they bring a flag and like...
Yeah. This whole family has they have this whole section, like 3 or 4 of them, and there's no one in them. That's the thing, if you're gonna pay for a cabana, gotta use it a little bit, right? All right, so now we are in Kopiko Way. This is the slow lazy river. Slow lazy river under the volcano. Now this one, Kopiko Way. Don't have to wear life jackets in this one because we got inner tubes. What? Oh, look at the cool like blue lights. It's supposed to be bioluminescence, I think. It's pretty nice. At least it's pretty. Because usually the slower lazy rivers are kind of, to me, boring compared to the fast one.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It's been so long.
You can try. Woo. Good job. I'm not gonna try.
Here, that's how you go fast. You kick off the wall. There, this is the point of view of the lazy river with my feet.
Oh my god, there's so many.
Yeah. Oh, it's recording finally! Yeah! That was good. That was good. Here's the end.
Okay.
It is recording. Oh no! Oh no! I can't see anything happening! I can't see anything! I can't see anything! Tell me when we're gonna end. Okay. The waves? Are they even big? right, everyone, so that concludes our day at Volcano Bay. I hope you all enjoyed the videos. Hope you all enjoyed the tips. Let us know if you came to the park what your favorite slide was. I think mine was one of the drop slides at the top of the volcano. That was pretty cool. What was your favorite slide?
I think I like the coaster.
The coaster. Oh yeah, the aqua coaster. Did that a couple of times. That was awesome. So
I think so far this is the best water park in Orlando.
yeah, by far in Orlando, #1 water park. Definitely in Florida, I think too. Better, or #1 water park. Definitely check out Volcano Bay by Universal in Orlando. So anyways, we're actually gonna run over to the other park and do a couple of rides, maybe Men in Black and a couple other things before they close for the day. But anyways, yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, let us know what you think and what future uploads you guys would like to see, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye.
Peace.